The earth laughs in flowers. In the realm of nature's grandeur, there exists a profound secret that only a few are privy to. It is a secret whispered through the rustling leaves, carried on the gentle breeze, and painted across vibrant landscapes. It is a secret that brings joy to the heart and a smile to the lips. It is the secret that the earth laughs in flowers. Imagine, if you will, a world where every step you take is adorned with a kaleidoscope of colors, where the air is filled with the intoxicating fragrance of blossoms, and where beauty dances in harmony with the rhythm of life. This is the world where the earth reveals its laughter, where flowers become the embodiment of its joy. When we immerse ourselves in nature's tapestry, we are reminded of the boundless possibilities that exist within our own lives. Just as flowers bloom from tiny seeds, we too possess the power to grow and flourish. We are reminded that even in the face of adversity, we can find the strength to rise above and bloom with resilience. The laughter of the earth in flowers is a gentle nudge, urging us to embrace the present moment. It reminds us to pause, to breathe in the delicate scent of petals, and to appreciate the simple pleasures that surround us. In a world that often moves at a relentless pace, the earth's laughter in flowers serves as a gentle reminder to slow down, to savor life's fleeting moments, and to find solace in the beauty that surrounds us. Let the laughter of the earth in flowers inspire you to embrace your own unique journey. Just as each flower possesses its own distinct beauty, so too do you possess your own special gifts and talents. Embrace your individuality, let your true colors shine, and watch as your life becomes a masterpiece, just like the breathtaking landscapes that adorn our world. So, dear friend, let us immerse ourselves in the laughter of the earth and flowers.